Okay, so this is what happens if you drop your Samsung S23 Ultra in the wrong place. It gets cracked here. Cleaning the screen a bit. Also, you get many small cracks like this. The cracks actually don't show on the screen when I use the screen. It's only this part here that shows. And also the cameras don't work. Okay, and if you are wondering, also the cameras are not working. And I want to show you now what happens. Maybe someone has an idea about how to fix this. I know you can replace the display, you can replace the camera modules, but the original display is pretty expensive, like 250 euro. And it includes the battery though, the kit from Samsung. And then the cameras, I don't even know if they have them available for S23 Ultra. And that's going to be another probably 150 euro. And I could find them on AliExpress, but they are not original and it might be not worth it. The quality of the display is not the same. Camera is trying to initialize. I try to take a picture, but so photo mode. The portrait lens works, this front one from here, but I want to see if this one is trying to start. Okay, so camera app is starting, but I don't see it moving. That one. So it's probably damage to the camera lenses because the impact was here. There was a rock went directly on the screen, and then the cracks went everywhere. Camera is not responding. Okay. And then the cameras are in the same place, so it's exactly here where the cameras are, so it's probably damage to the camera. And this one doesn't work also. So I could try to switch. Sometimes, I don't know, sometimes it's working, you can switch to the front. It gets stuck. Okay, so this is the situation of the phone. I'm going to try to open the back and see maybe I can disconnect and reconnect the cameras, and also I'll try to use some glue on the phone. I will try to use this glue to hide this crack and then apply a screen protector on top of it. Now there is tape. This was the first thing to do, to put tape on the crack so it doesn't get worse. And yeah, the display, so you see it works around this crack just fine. So it's not the touch screen works here, it's only the crack here, and it's pretty bad. I mean, this is the crack with the tape on before I try to use this glue. And this has some of the substances in this, they look like they are super glue, but it's not actually, it's other things, it has other things. So I'm hoping that this is gonna fix the screen. That would be amazing, because I don't really care about these scratches, I can't see them. When I apply a screen protector on top of this, it will be fine, but this here is pretty bad. I'll try to fill the gaps on this crack with the glue. This is the idea at least. And I'll try to press it maybe in. And I could do it a few times. Hopefully it will work. Okay. I'll do this. I'll do the screen protector in a separate video and the cameras later to open the back and all that in another video. Yeah, also if you have your phone, a case, as you see, it's not enough. This phone got dropped exactly on the screen on a rock, on a hard rock. So if you might think that it's enough to have the case, it's also better to have a screen protector. And on this phone, it's a bit difficult to install a screen protector because it has the curved edges. This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with the curved screen like that. So that makes it more difficult to install a screen protector. Thanks for watching. Put a screen protector on your phone before you get this